Finally doing an unboxing video of a spiral vegetable slicer. I'm going to be trying it out as well. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Received the product at a discount exchange for my unbiased review. Unbiased opinion, that's it. Just gonna peel the sellotape. Ooh, let's see. Gently place it out. It's in this little plastic bag. It has instructions. I'll place that back there somewhere. Looks quite menacing with it. That plastic spikes. There seems to be a blade in there. Got cushiony bottoms, and then I think that's a blade as well. That's a tray of 2 blades. Interesting. I'm going to go ahead and wash this and then try it out. I went ahead and washed everything and selected 2 veg and a fruit for different to test out the different textures. I'm going to go ahead and use the slot it in somewhere. There you go. Use a carrot. Oh, slide it back and forth for this. Not sure how it works, but I'm just shoving it in the machine. I'm guessing it needs a larger item.
See if this works, just stab it in the spikes. Oh my god. I feel I'm going to slip up and cut my hand. Oh shit, pricked my hand.
I have seemed to done it wrong. Oh, it's doing something, I think. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm extremely weak. Oh my god. It's a 2-hand job. It gives these little curly things. I'm gonna try with a different item this time. Different item. Look it out, and it looked like this. Hello. Somehow didn't really think this through.
Let's see if this works. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, it works much better with the shine fruit.
Nice. And again, it's got this weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that in there so it's easy grip next time. Now let's see how this little stick fares. Celery stick.
Soon I shall have enough for my dinner. Eventually.
Bit annoying. My camera battery ran out, so I'm just kind of using my webcam now. The question is of trying to find a spot to stab it in. And celery doesn't have that space. Yeah, I haven't thought this through. It doesn't want to work. No, I think this is like the one thing you can't use. Oh god, it's like coming out pellets. I don't think if anyone can see this, but the core is coming out. Not gonna work. Holy shit! Gotta swap this out. Be really careful with the blades. I'm gonna try this blade out. Oh shit! Oh my god! This blade is dangerous. Oops, that's right in.
Look how long this is going to be. Oh, I broke it.
I think the shine fruit's like the best thing to use on this. Celery, there's no point. But I'm going to try the celery again and see if that does. Ooh. Got a little bit left for that.
Oh, no. There you go.
Well, it's made it into a smaller chunk.
I'm just growing it, I'm just growing it.
Ah, so much effort. Favourite's the shan fruit. Oh, you can see the little rings. A small little crescent. Wasting the core of the carrot. Last one. Start with the celery. It's not going to work, but maybe it will.
Got no core up this fire now. Bitter defeat.
Oh shit, what happened there? I'm going to leave the best.
Shove that right there.
Oh, yes! Yes! Is it doing anything? I don't know.
First I need to slip it in. Just like that. Oh yeah. No, it's gone terribly wrong now.
Not the best result. Not the best. Yeah, that's just messed up. Take a carrot and just finish that off.
So close. So close.
Oh my god, so close. I think that's it. Oh. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. Thank you for watching. Oh my god.
Oh, like a bomb building. The whole circle is like a little thin bit. A giant thing, a dick.